Hey guys, I'm Jasmine Walia. I'm a singer and actress, and today I'm going to be taking you through my journey of getting a new front door from Palladio doors. You can tell I need a new front door. So me and the guys have been working closely together. I actually designed my door on the website on their door designer, so I have a fair idea of what it's going to look like. So fingers crossed. I think it's going to be coming out amazing. I've chosen a completely different design this time. There's no like brickwork in between, and there's like a long bar, but you're obviously going to see that throughout the day. But I just really needed a new door, and I just think that this one is going to be absolutely amazing. So make sure you guys check it out. Basically, I wanted to share with you guys something really cool, and I don't think I've seen a door company actually do this before, but on the website when you design the door, you can actually choose the colour of the door that you want in the back and the colour of the door that you want in the front. And everything in my house, well, will be when it's renovated. I wanted white inside, and then I wanted dark anthracite grey on the outside. So I thought that was really cool that you can have the two colours. I got the like modern bar, the chrome handles, and then I've gone for the clear glass, but it's also frosted in the middle, obviously for like privacy. And I've gone for the same design to match on the outsides as well. So this is a very different door to the other one. This is very modern, and the other one's really traditional. So I've kind of got best of both worlds. So guys, my door has been fitted and I'm literally obsessed. Like, I think it's amazing. It's completely already transformed the whole house. I'm going to get the windows and everything fitted next, but this door is absolutely stunning. It's so modern. It's so, I just really, really love it. And the great thing is all the finishings have been done to perfection. The guys at Palladio have been nothing but professional from start to finish, from having my door designed, from getting everything I wanted, delivered on time, fitted by these lovely guys who actually did this all day. So I've been really, really happy, and I could not recommend them enough. So guys, go and check out Palladio doors, and if you need a front door, these are the ones that you need to go to.